The greedy strategy just talks about taking the best choice at the best time. So a greedy algorithm will implement that greedy strategy. So the greedy strategy for me to get the maximum amount of points, I guess, a maximum amount of coins, I would start from the top right here where I got 1, and then I would look and I would say green. Yeah, they definitely took that from Get Mix. So I look and say, here's 1. Do I go to 5 or do I go to 3? Well, 5 is more, so I go to 5, right? So I'm over here. Then I do the same thing. Do I go to 10 or do I go to 3? Then 10 is the greatest, so I go to 10. So then I do over here. Do I go to 4 or do I go to 3? Do I go to 4? So 4 is the greatest. So I end up there. So I end up actually with 1, 5, 10, and 4, which ends up this right here. This is just totaling me 20. On the other case, it shows that it's not always optimum if I was trying to maximize the amount of points, because I could have went 1, 3, and here's 100, and that totals up to 104. And that's just showing that, well, just like the greedy strategy doesn't always work.